Video, I'm going to show you how to get started trading on the Mt4 on your mobile device. So this is the Mt4 app, and you can get it by going to the Play Store. So I'm just going to show you. You can come here and type in Mt4 and then just install it. So I already have it, so I'm going to just show you. It's going to be this. It's going to be this app right here once you have it on your mobile device. So when you click it there, you will come. So once you have this Mt4 app, you're going to need a trading company to register with so that you could be able to trade. So now that we have the Mt4 app, let's go look for a trading company. So to find a trading company, there's this website that you could find mostly all of the trading companies, but the thing is, you can also get rebate profits when you sign up with those trading companies on this website rather than going directly to the trading company's website to register, right? So this is my dashboard, how it looks. And as you can see, I have made this amount of money in profits, and these are rebates profits. So every time I take a trade, whether I win or lose the trade, I get profits, and this is my overall amount that I've made. This is what's pending, and every month they release the money. So today I got over $300 in profits, and it's available, and I will be withdrawing this as soon as this video is done. You can withdraw it to your PayPal, or you can withdraw it through Skrill, or there are other ways like wire transfer and so forth. So on this website, once you're here, then you're gonna find the trading companies, like I'm telling you, or brokers, right? So as you can see, I have a lot that are already added in my accounts. They're already added to this and they're approved, so I get rebates on them. How you gonna find them, right? You can come right here, and then there are a lot of them here that you can search for. Now I'm just gonna tell you the one that I use, and you can go ahead and use them if you like, or you can search through and choose whichever one that you want. But I use one called XNES, and this is it here. So to add a trading company, you will come and you could say add account. Then you would have to go and open an account with that company. So doing it through this website, like I say, will enable you to get the rebate instead of going over there. As you can see, there's some information here saying if you already have an account and you want to add it so forth, it would be a kind of, but if you don't have an account, you could just come and open a new account, right? And I chose global here. If you're not in any of the other countries that's there, that will take you over to their website, and then you could just register. So let me just show you something right here now. Over at their website, this is how their website looks. I'm already logged in, and I'm gonna show you how the dashboard looks, right? So here you can see I have multiple accounts. So like this one, for example, 55, right? You can see it right here. It says 55. So that's an account that is already on the Mt4, and I have it. This actually is the same one. As you can see, this is the 155. Now, I could add multiple accounts. As you can see, I have multiple accounts here, right? There's this 133, 32, 809, and this is the 55 one right here. So this is the Mt4, and those are those accounts, right? So let's go back to this dashboard, and I can show you. Like I said, I have other, accounts here, right? So this is XNES. This is the one I recommend you using. You can actually start with a deposit of $10 with the account that I'm using. I'm using a standard plus. So if I was to click open a new account here, then it would have these options, and you see standard plus is the one that I normally do, right? But you can choose whichever one that you want, right? And then this says minimum deposit of $1, but I always have a minimum deposit of $10. So anyways, like I said, this is the dashboard. So let's get off of this real quick, and let me show you. That's how you find a trading company. Now you're gonna have to register with the company and log into the Mt4, like I was saying. So after you're registered here, right? And let's say I come to my accounts right here, and 55, like I will just copy this, and then I will go over, and if you click this account information right here, so you will see it says exactly which server is MT412, right? Real 12. That's the one I will be using to log in. So if I go to this MT4 right here, right, and I want to add a new account, I click up there. So as you can see, there's this plus button, and if I click this plus, then it's gonna let me log into an existing account. So once I have an account, like I said already, this is on the MT4, I'm looking for the real 12. If I type XNES right here, a lot of them is going to pop up, but I'm looking for the real 12, this one right here, and then I will just simply put that information, which is the login number for the account, and then I will put that password that I have for it, right? And then that will just log me in. So I already, let's go back. I was already logged in, but I could always do this, like just I have them there already saved. That would bring up the login information, and then I can just log in. So like I said, this is 55, and then let's jump over to that dashboard real quick. Let's see what's happening here with 55. It's not logging in, what's it? Okay, it's in now. So this is 55, yes. So with 55, let's say you want to deposit funds, you could just deposit right here, and then you can withdraw. So you can use your debit card, your credit card. You could use Skrill as well to deposit, and then you could withdraw back to your debit card, credit card, or Skrill, right? So this you can get to change your password. You could just simply come here to account information again. So what I'm clicking for account information is this little thing right here, and then when I click that, it brings up this, and then I could choose, I could transfer to a different account. I could change the leverage. I could add a nickname and account information, change the password. So the account information was what I clicked the first time that showed me which reel it was and all of this information. This is the leverage and so forth. So I don't want to make this video too long. So what I'm saying now, let's get over to this. So registering and then logging into the MT4, then you're going to need some indicators, right? Because with trading, when you have indicators, then you could be able to see the price better than just watching the raw chart like that. No, these are candles up here for the minute. If you're trading already, you would know about candles. So let's just talk about these indicators right here, right? So this is the 5-minute chart. What I'm going to do is jump to the 1-hour chart real quick, and let's talk. I'm going to click this right here, the F, to add these indicators, and then after I'm finished speaking about the indicators, then I'm just going to tell you about trading, my explanation on trading, right? And then this video will be finished. So let's talk about this 1 hour real quick. And what I want to talk about these indicators is that there's a red line, and then there are actually 5. So when I click this right now, you're gonna see that there are 5 of these things, right? 5 of these indicators that I have added. So I'm gonna show you how to add them. You just have to click the plus right here in the indicator window, and then the first, you have to add these in order. Now different people use different indicators, but these are the indicators that I use that I can read the charts with very well, right? So the first one you're going to do is add the relative strength index. Then they're going to be 3 moving averages, then a Bollinger Band. So let me show you. When you click this, you can actually find whatever you're looking for, and then I would be doing this. I already have them in, so I don't have to do it. But then when you add it, the relative strength index is going to come up, and then these are going to be the parameters for them, and you're going to set it to 13. This is going to be the close. You see there's a color here, and then you're going to add these. Now this might sound a little bit complicated if you are new to this, so let's just not make it complicated for you right now. We can do another video about that next time. To change the levels right here, you're gonna have to just click this, and then once you do, you're gonna be able to add these numbers, right? If I was to click this plus right here, then I would be able to add a 6th one. There are only 5 right now. And let me just show you. I do not want a other one, but if I had to, then I could just edit it to whatever number I want, and then that will be good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove that one, and I'm just gonna do that what I did was I hit this, and then when I did that, it would just bring up the boxes over here to select whichever one I wanted to remove. And then once I click that trash again, it will be gone, right? So this is how I did it, trash. And then you click whichever one, and then you could just hit trash again and it will be gone, right? But I don't want to delete anymore, so let's just go back. That's the relative strength index. You want to get these parameters correct, and then you move to the second one, which will be the moving average, right? You click the moving average, and as you can see, there are the parameters here as well that need to be, you just make sure that everything is the same as what you're seeing on my screen. You can edit it and then just make the changes accordingly, right? Then you're going to do this with all the rest. So once you're finished with the other moving average, and then the other moving average, and then the Bollinger Bands, then you're going to have the indicators, and then you're going to have the thing like this, right? Once you have that, then you could be able to read the charts a little better. Now, to I'm on the 1 hour right now. When you start on the MT4, it's gonna open up on the 5 minute for you when you download it for the first time. But there are many time frames. There are this, you got a 1 minute, a 5 minute, all of these straight to the month, right? So if you're already trading, you already know about this. If you're new to this, then it's new to you. But what I'm telling you on this 1 hour to make things, to just show you an example of how these indicators work. You can see when the green line, with the green line is like the price. The green line is like the price. So if the candle is going, if the price is going up, then, you know, when the green line crosses the red line down here, you can see that the price is going up. And then let's say the price is going to drop, the green line is going to cross that red line and it's going to keep going. So right now you can see that the price is kind of around the red line. It didn't too, it crossed it. You can see it's crossing it a little bit right here. So that would be, the indicators will be telling you, okay, the price might go down because it's crossing now. Just like when the price came on top right here, you can see that the price kept going, right? And then this is how the indicators work. Now, the thing is, it's not so easy. This just helps you, but there's a lot more that you have to know. Now, we're not going to get into that right now, and that's basically how I wanted to let you know about starting trading. That, you know, you get the MT4 app, which is this app. You get a trading company, you log in with them, you register, and I recommend you doing it on Payback FX so that you can get rebate profits for every trade. Because even if you were trading here without rebate profits, then you just wouldn't get that extra money, right? If you win a trade, you just get it here. If you lose a trade, you get nothing back. But being registered through Payback, you can still get some profits for every trade you take. That's why I told you do it that way. Now then, once you get the company and then you got the indicators, like I said, trading explain is when it crosses the line. Now this is a very complex topic and we cannot cover it in this video. This video is already too long, 30 minutes. I didn't want it to be so long, but guess what? I'm gonna stop the video right here, and you're gonna have to subscribe to the channel and check out the other videos on how you can get started trading, right? So this is the first one on how you can actually just start by getting the MT4 and a company, and then there's gonna be a lot more stuff you're gonna need to know. And I'm also gonna have a course where you will be able to get the exact direction, the exact, you know, instructions of how I trade, because everyone has their own trading style and everything. Everyone use different indicators, but with this indicator, like I'm showing you, this is how it works. And if you can identify when the green line crosses the red, then you could be able to say, okay, you could see when the price is going up or when the price is coming down. But just know that it's a lot of different time frames and it's very complex, but there's a way that you can do it. And if you did not know, a lot of day traders lose a lot of money. They say that like 99% of day traders lose money. I mean, people are probably just trying to find a way to make money on their phone, and then they try trading and then they end up losing. Now, what I want to tell you is trading is not easy. It's very difficult, but it's doable, right? So if you're interested in trading, or if you are already trading and you need some skills, you need some, help with making the right decisions, knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell, I could be able to show you some stuff that can help you, because it's not easy to read these charts, but these indicators make it a lot more easier, and definitely it's going to help you. So you'll learn more about that in other videos. For right now, it has been a pleasure showing you how you can get started trading on the MT4.